Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee, and you guys were all wanting to see more of my dollar store nail art, or rather my AliExpress nail art, which I'm going to bring for you, but I'm going to have to introduce you to someone first. This here, this slightly scratchy little madam, is Jolene. We said we weren't getting any more cats after Chester. Just before Christmas, someone begged me to rescue her because she was found with her two little brothers in the bottom of a tree trunk by a farmer, and they were tiny and they'd been abandoned by their mum. I couldn't say no. We thought Jolene was actually a Kevin, but the vet decided it was a Jolene. And here she is. She's very happy. I don't know if you can hear her purring, but you're a happy little madam, aren't you? Because she's not been brought up by a cat, she thinks she's a dog. So she keeps doing weird dog stuff. Jolene, Jolene. Ew. Ew, don't, it's makeup. Does your cat do this? Can you hear that? Let me just go near the mic. Yeah, that's it. You just shove your butt in my face. That's great. Yeah, lovely. Loving it. It's great. It's working for me, Jolene. Go. Butt. Blimey, I feel a bit harassed. Right, let's give this a go. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 different powders. Some are Born Pretty. Some are just, don't even know what they are. They're in like weird drug-like foil packets. I have painted a nail pop with black and white on it so that I will be able to sort of give you a bit of a standard, and I am going to have a control colour to show you what good quality chrome should do. So I'm going to use this Magpie Shelly, which you might see me use quite a bit. And what I will do is I will put direct links to all the products I've bought, if they're still available, down in the description. And so what I've done for every one of these is I've got the Magpie gels in black and white, and the white is Plain Jane and the black is Black Betty. So every single one of these has been coated with half black, half white, and then I've used Don't Be Tacky, which is the No Cleanse top coat, to give us an idea. So let's just take a look with the Shelly first. And all I'm doing, I'm popping my silicone tool directly into the pot. It's a bit much really, but then we are just going to buff it straight into the surface of that nail. And I've done it half black, half white because I think some of these might be chameleon powders. So we will use this as our control to know what's good. See, I'm just giving that a really good buff. So you can see that Shelly's are sort of lilac-y pink on the white side, and then it's like a greeny, bluey yellow on the black side. So that is Shelly from Magpie. We are hoping to achieve that or better. I've just got some alcohol to clean off my silicone tool in between. And the best way I find to clean it is get a pad with some alcohol on it. And I'm just going to wipe my worktop. Starting with A, I don't know what brand this is, but I've got links for everything, which I will put in the description. This was 70 cents. This one's actually come with... It's a really good eyeshadow applicator actually for this sort of stuff. I just prefer a silicone tool. I think you can get it really smooth on a silicone tool. So I'm going to open these and let's get started. Can you see that? That's pretty. Mighty, mighty pretty. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That is gorgeous. This reminds me of the CND Violet Pearl additive, which if any of you have ever used CND products, you'll know that additives are like dusts or pigments. If we put it next to, I think you can tell on camera, it's not completely shiny chrome. It's a bit more of like a sateen effect. When you consider some pigments are up to about £20, that for 70 cents is pretty impressive. I will line all these up at the end so you can decide what you think. B, it says Born Queen, which looks really like the Born Pretty logo. This one I've written on the back so I can remember, it's 89 cents. Again, it comes with a nice little silicone-y sponge applicator. This looks a bit unicorny. Unicorn. I have to must be the Hulk to open these. Sealed for your protection. Excuse if you can see any stains on my nails. I tinted my eyebrows last night. I think that's more greeny. Like 2 swipes and I can tell already. That is blinking amazing. Look, it's like a jade over black. It's like a unicorn on the white and a jade over the black. That is so gorgeous. How much did I just say that was? 89 cents. Let's give it a good buff because I think this is a bit more chromy. That is so smooth. I am actually going to zoom in on that for you. How gorgeous is that? Oh, and you know what? I don't know if you can see it next to A, but like the unicorn value on that is shamazing. C is actually Born Pretty. It's a chrome. So this one, I've written on it, $1.16. Everything in my office is going to be covered. So yeah, this is slightly more than $1. This $1.17. Doesn't look much in there, which is why, to be honest with you, I'd rather use a silicone tool than an eyeshadow sponge, because an eyeshadow sponge is always going to hold on to some product and you don't really want to waste it. Look at the shimmer. There's some serious bling happening there. Wow. That is really, really surprisingly good. And if you can see, it's a bit patchy until you really get some more product on, buff it into that no cleanse top coat. Look at that, that looks really, really good. Over the black, it's giving more of a sort of a gunmetal. And over the white, it's giving a much paler chrome. That is another winner. Do you know what? I have not been let down yet. Okay, this could be a really boring video. We need to have a real wet fart of a powder because these are all super duper amazing at the moment. You indeed, darling, were born pretty. Baby, I was born this way. What have we got next? Tissy. How much did I pay for this? 56 cents. This is the cheapest so far. Oh! Now these are Flakies. Flakies are a bit different. Flakies, I can try and apply it into the nail cleanse, but this should really either be used with acrylic, like embedded in acrylic, or applied to the sticky inhibition layer of a gel. But look at the bling. They are so gorgeous. Right, we'll try it. We'll try it, and it can be forgiven if it doesn't quite work, because it's my fault, not its. No, we're going to need a sticky layer. Okay, so I have applied a top coat to the sticky layer, and let's give this a go now. Actually, normally when I'm doing things like this, I use a brush. Okay, things I'm noticing about these Flakies. Gorgeous colour. Very, very stiff. Might be okay if you're embedding it in acrylic and you can file down any rough bits, but this is going to be a nightmare to try and paint gel polish over. Most of the Flakies I have tend to break down if you fiddle with them too much. These are not. So I'd say that, okay, they are the cheapest. They are really, really pretty. I would say for that one, I would recommend using them only embedded in acrylics. Okay, next. This one's 89 cents. It's another Born Queen. I've got no idea what colour this one is. This one's been leaking a bit. It's leaking a lot. This looks like a sort of pearlescent. Let's have a mosey on down. Ooh. This is like an ice pearl. That is really pretty. That's nice. It's sort of grey. It's not grey, it's pearl. Pearl on the white, and when we turn over to the black, it's looking a bit like greeny on the camera, but in real life it's sort of like very, very, very slightly blue-grey colour. It's not blown me away, but you know what, it's a really good one to have in your arsenal. What are we on to? E, let's go to F. I've been organised. Born Pretty again. Can't really tell what colour this was. This was 90 cents. Ooh. Right, I don't think that this is going to apply, so let's have a look. It's holo. Holo, can you go? Time for the close-up. That's nice. That is nice. Oh, that is very nice. Again, this isn't going to stick to a pop. I can try, but I've dabbed that with my fingers, just to give you an idea. That is a really nice holo. How much did I say that was? 90 cents. Do you want me to put big, like, flashing lights around this one in the description? Yeah, that's a winner from me. Next. Another glitter from the look of it. I don't think we're going to be able to put this one on a pop as well, but let's have a good nosy at how much did I pay for this? Ooh, ouch. $1.97. I think this one was advertised as a holo chrome, which, as we can see, it's not, but it is an ultra fine glitter. Let's have a zoom in. It is a really pretty holo glitter, and you do get rather a lot in the packet, so that is really nice. So whilst it was like more than double the price of most of them, that is a really nice fine glitter. I've just popped it on my finger instead, but you can see the rainbow there. Look at that. That's a little bit special. Yeah, that's a nice one. Next we have Born Pretty, yet again. I think this is a colour. Ooh, no, it's a glitter. I think it was advertised as holo, this one. I mean, we have got a slight holo effect. We haven't got a full rainbow, but we have got that like 3-dimensional effect. And it is very fine again. Let's just see if we can pop it onto a pop. If you're using these on a regular polish, I'd say use a foil glue underneath them. If you're using it on a gel polish, you can stick it to the tacky layer of the gel polish after it's cured. That is a very pretty glitter. How much was it? 75 cents. Next is identical to the previous one. It's another Born Pretty. This was 83 cents. The only thing is, that was the previous one. It's more of a bluey green. It's got a nicer, mind you, it's got quite a nice hollowy effect. Is there any point in me putting this on a pop? Do we know what we're getting? It's almost like a really fine sugary powder. This one is actually, I think, a little bit finer than the previous one. This is where it's more like a dusting. Do you know, if you're wanting to start out, invest in some nail art goodies that aren't too expensive to practice with, you could get for $5 some really nice bits and pieces here. Can't really go wrong with this. Another Born Pretty. There's a lot of Born Pretty. How much did I pay for this? 93 cents. Ooh. Okay, it's another glitter. This is rather nice. Ah, I like that. They've got really fine purple and blue and mix them together. That is really pretty. And there's pink and there's green and there's all sorts in there. We'll try that. We'll try it on a pop. I'm just patting this on a pop. It's not going to stay, but this is just to give you an idea of over white and over black. That would look gorgeous over a purple polish. So what did I say that was? 93 cents. I like that. Next, what have we got next? More Born Pretty. This is a super fine glitter. How much was this one? This was 75 cents. Do you know what? For 75 cents, it's a really pretty holo. I mean, it's not like blow me away holo. It's a bit like Monday morning holo. We're on to our last two, which are our funny little drug parcels. Both for 50 cents. No idea what colour this is. No idea at all. I'm sort of scared of what I'm going to find inside. Nice bit of kitchen foil. Do you know what? It's not bad quality kitchen foil. It's not no frills. Oh, Flakies. Oh, so I haven't got any, unless that better be a Chameleon Chrome, because I'm going to be totes devoed. That is a really nice gold though. Now, this is what I was talking about. See how that's breaking up? That we should be able to buff into the surface of a nail pop. Look at it picking up. It's super fine. That is literally like gold leaf. And I am patting that onto the No Cleanse top coat. There's no sticky layer there. Oh my word. Look at that. So there's no sticky layer there. I am just patting that onto the surface. If you were to brush off the excess, you could have it looking like flaky. I reckon we can get this to turn gold chrome if I buff. Let's see. I might be completely wrong on this one. I think it's buffing a bit. Yeah, this works. If you put this over a black, you will get a gorgeous gold chromed effect. And even over the white, it gives you a lovely one, but it's a bit patchy. If you actually did it over a gold polish, it would completely disguise any patchiness whatsoever and give you a fantastic effect. Last one. So I'm wondering if this is that TSSII as well. It is. Hey, it's Silver Flakies. Let's give these bad boys a go. Haha, look how pretty. They are so... Oh, it's doing it again. Look. Do you know what? That would just look really nice as it is over a colour if you've got like a beautiful pink, or even for spring like a lovely soft duck egg or mint green, and just popped a few of those over the top. That would be so nice. Let's buff this one, see what happens when we buff it in. Like I said, it may not work, they're meant to be flakies. We'll see. It's quite effective. It's not as effective as the other chrome, which was meant as a chrome. You couldn't really complain for 50 cents there, could you? Let's line them up and you can have a look at them all together. Okay, so that's all of them lined up. I will link all these in order in the description, and there's the Shelley from Magpies are Control, and then all the rest are from AliExpress. Be warned though, L and M literally get everywhere. I've got my cup of tea, it's floating in the top of my cup of tea. It's stuck somehow to the side of my cup. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it's been a big help to you. I have got another 2 of these videos to come. One is going to be about stamping and tools from AliExpress that are all $1 or under, and the other is going to be about foils and decals, and they will be coming over the coming weeks as well, because I don't want to kind of do the same thing every week because that gets boring and then I miss doing the nail art. But I think these sort of videos are really good for you being able to get your products cheaply and easily, and some of these here are real gems. I am still so surprised by A and B. And I love E as well actually. And those flakies at the end are fantastic. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of the same, then give me a subscribe as well. If you're interested in becoming a Natasha Lee VIP, then head on over to natashalee.vip, where I have a range of behind the scenes access and reward tiers available for you. So go and peek and have a look. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. I am absolutely covered in glitters and chromes. But that's all good. If there's anything else you'd particularly like to see on my channel, please just leave me a comment down below in the comment section. And if not, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.